If you don't know how to structure your workouts for fat loss and toning, this is the simplest plan that actually works. Hey ladies, and welcome back. If you've ever walked into the gym and thought, what am I supposed to do today? You're not alone. One of the biggest reasons why women don't see results is because they don't have a clear workout structure. So today I'm breaking down the best workout split for fat loss and toning, especially if you want something that's realistic and sustainable. Now, why does your workout split matter? Your workout split is simply how you organize your training throughout the week. And it matters because it helps you train each muscle group effectively, recover properly, stay consistent. Without a plan, you'll end up doing random workouts, and random workouts lead to random results. Now, this is going to be the best beginner-friendly workout split. Here is what I recommend for most women. If you're doing about a 3 to 4 day split, day 1 would be lower body, glutes and legs. Focus is going to be on strength and compound movements. Examples are going to be squats, RDLs, hip thrusts. Day 2, we're going to focus on upper body, back and arms. The focus is going to be posture and strength. Examples are going to be rows, lat pull downs, bicep curls. Day 3, rest and active recovery, walking, stretching, light movement. Day 4, we're going to go back to lower body, glute focused. Examples are going to be hip thrusts, lunges, kickbacks. Now, optional day 5, you could do a full body or a conditioning day. Make it short, efficient workout. This structure is going to give you enough volume, enough recovery, and real progress over time. If you're just beginning, I don't recommend more than 4 times a week. Give your body enough time to adjust and recover in between those workouts. Now, how are you going to see results with this split? The split is just a structure. Results come from how you execute it. Focus on progressive overload, increase weights over time, proper form, consistency week to week. You don't need to change your program every week. You need to get better at it. Some of the common mistakes that I think you should avoid are doing only cardio, skipping upper body, changing workouts too often, not tracking anything. Keep it simple and repeatable. So if you've been feeling lost in the gym, this is your sign to simplify your routine and stick with a plan. Comment below if you want me to turn this video into a full weekly workout program for you. And if you want a customized plan for you based on your goals, I've linked my coaching below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. I'll be posting more workouts and guidance to help you stay consistent. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!